All right, well, this weekend, do you want to get a little pampered without shelling out a ton of cash for it? Well, you are in luck because our Smart Shopper team found a deal that you are just going to love. Kalologie 360 Spa, I hope I said that right, I apologize if I didn't, will be offering half off their mud mask facials tomorrow at the price of $50. It's normally $100. You've got 3 to choose from at that price. Each one is 50 minutes long. You can choose from a champagne facial, a pink grapefruit mint, or blood orange lemongrass. All of those sound pretty good, I'm not going to lie. They're located in the Hilton Village, and we have all the details on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper.